Yeah guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Preeti and I make makeup related videos. If you're new here, do check out my other videos, and if you like my content, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. So today I'm gonna create a very amazing look, which is a dream-like look, which has been always my favorite look. So I'm gonna create a mermaid look. I know it's a challenge, but I'm gonna try. So firstly, I'm starting off with the moisturizer. I'm spreading it all over my face. Next, I'll be using a concealer to conceal my lids. I'm using heavy layer of concealer and blending it with a beauty blender. As it is a mermaid look, I'll be using all shades of blue and green. So I'm firstly taking this royal blue shade and creating a crease line. Now I'm blending the line while using a sea green shade, also taking up some sort of purple with it. You can use any shades which pleases you. So I'm just blending everything. It gives a nice transition effect. It all depends on your creativity. I'm taking more blue and blending it. Now coming on to metallic eye shades, I'm taking this royal blue metallic eyeshadow and I will put it in the outer corner. Fingers are best while using glitters and metallic shades. Now I'm taking this sea green shade and will put it into the center of my lids. I will use this lilac shade into my inner corners and just blend everything. Starting with the tail of the mermaid, I'm using this blue liner to create tail of the mermaid. Making the fin and just curving it out. Now I'm using this liner and I will fill in the tail. Now I'm using this black liner and I will outline the whole tail. Now I'm going in with the same blue metallic eyeshadow and filling in the outlined area to give it a very vibrant blue shade. Filling the inside of the fin with sea green. Now comes the fun part. I'll be placing these glitters onto my lids to create a very nice, very beautiful look. Because mermaids are all about glitter and shine. It should be highlighted the same way. I'm using this glitter. It gives very turquoise look, so I'll be filling it in the fin. Now I'm filling my brows with the red shade. I'm using red eyeshadow for this. I'll just complete my other and come back, clearing out any kind of fallouts. Now coming to face, I'm concealing under eye area and blending everything. I'm using this Illuminator. You can see I'm using it before foundation to give it a very glowy look. I have done the foundation. I'm coming on to the contour. I've skipped the step to make it a quick video. You know the drill, right? Contouring and coming to the blush. I'm blushing heavily today because mermaids. Applying falsies. So here comes the last step to apply the lipper. This is the final look, guys. Hope I'm looking like a mermaid. And this is the eye look. Hope you're liking it. Do mention in comment below. This is crosswires from MAC. All the products will be mentioned in the description box. So here we have this mini mermaid. She was so excited to come on camera. So let's see what she wanna say.
Mermaid. Bye bye.
Bye. See you in my next video. See you in my next video.
So this is the final look, guys. I hope I'm looking like a mermaid. If you like my look, give me a comment below, and if you're new on my channel, do check out my other videos, and if you like my content, do subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. All the links would be mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.